Before you can even add and subtract radicals, make sure that they are similar, which means that the radical expression must have the same radicand and the same index. Now, in this case, in the first example, by just looking at it, you don't have the same radicand, so meaning they are dissimilar at first glance. But you can simplify the radicals in such a way that they become similar. So let's do it now. 4 square root of 2 plus, okay, break down 8 in such a way that one of the factors has a perfect root. So rewrite 8 into 4 and 2. Now 4 now here has a perfect root. You can take it out away from the radical sign. So this now becomes 2 square root of 2. Since we have now transformed the radicals into similar radicals, we can now directly add them. The final answer is 6 square root of 2. As for the second example, again, as we can see at first glance, they don't seem to be similar, but let's try to find out by simplifying both of the radicals. So again, rewrite 12 into 4 and 3. And then rewrite 27 as well into 9 and 3. Again, we're doing this. We are breaking down the numbers, making sure that one of the factors has a perfect root. And in this case, 4 has a perfect root and 9 also has a perfect root. So both of the numbers can be taken out of the radical sign. So the radical expression are now transformed into this. Since we now have similar radicals, so we can directly add them. So the final answer is 5 square root of 3. So as for the last example, we will do the same thing. Since 45 doesn't have a perfect root, so we can simplify it. We can break it down into 9 and 5. As for the 20, we can also break it down into 4 and 5. Then the next thing you do is you just have to take out the number that has a perfect root. As for the first radical, it's 9. Take out 9. So this becomes 4 and 3. The square root of 5 minus. For the second radical, you have 3. Take out the 4. Bring it out. So this becomes 2 square root of 5. Okay, just multiply the coefficients. You'll have 12 square root of 5 minus 6 square root of 5. Okay, once again, we have derived the radicals into similar radicals. So we can now directly subtract them. So the final answer is 6 square root of 5. That's all.